you know, 1 day a week with 3 days for the trees, we're achieving the above the 32% that we need to. So I think we've got some time to actually get some data and actually look, is there a way to modify that somewhat?
Okay. You mentioned yesterday maybe a way that you could do it with the nighttime watering and maybe be able to bridge the midnight hour per calendar days, that type of thing.
And we'll do that. I think we'll want it just as an organization to be pretty confident that we can do that and continue to achieve the conservation for the rest of the reporting period, because we do not want to get in that penalty phase with the state. But anyhow, so we'll do that. Any other questions?
Other questions from Mike? Okay.
Great.
It's not a question.
Okay.
But and I've discussed this with Mr. Peterson already. I'd like to offer a friendly amendment to the proposed ordinance, and that's on Title 3, Chapter 3.40, which is page 8 of Attachment 2. I can pass this down to the rest of you. And that is, last year the board voted to prohibit outdoor cultivation of marijuana and also to limit indoor cultivation to 9 plants. And so my amendment would be simply to add a phrase to Section A of 3.40.120 to make it clear that by including in this section of the ordinance that addresses water waste, that use of water in violation of those code sections constitutes water waste. And just to back that up, according to the State Department of Fish and Wildlife, each plant uses an average of 6 gallons of water per day during the growing cycle. And just last week there was a Sheriff's Department removed almost 1,000 marijuana plants from an illegal grow site in my district, which would have represented close to 6,000 gallons per day in water use. And in fact, there was evidence that a stream had been diverted to provide irrigation water. So I think it would be wise to make clear that that type of use constitutes water waste.
This is page 8 of attachment 2?
Yes. Under section 3.40.120. Subsection A.
Well, since growing marijuana outdoors is illegal, does that mean it's already covered? I mean, this basically, no, it wouldn't?
No.
Okay.
John,
Because it's only, the way it's currently written, it's only water waste if it's in violation of the water shortage contingency plan. And so I think to what we're suggesting to implement Supervisor Macglashan's request, what that section would be modified to read as, it would say, no person or person shall use or cause to be used agency water in a negligent or wasteful manner or in violation of the water shortage contingency plan, Chapter 6.88 or Chapter 6.89 of the Sacramento County Code or state law or regulations.
Okay.
So that's suggested language from County Counsel's office versus what Supervisor Macglashan just read?
Yes.
Okay. And
My microphone went away.
Is that something that is acceptable to you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm good with that.
Okay. Others? I think you have agreement on that. Supervisor Natoli.
Yeah, just again, I would, as a part of the overall package, I would willing to authorize the latitude for up to $500,000 for the incentive programs, and I know they'll keep us posted, but it would give them the ability, assuming they have a successful outreach program, to go to a higher amount without coming back for additional authority.
Okay. Any further statements or suggestions? Don't have anyone sign up to speak on this. Is there a motion?
Okay.
I'd second it.
Okay. Been
You're
moved and
acting on 77 and 78?
correct.
Yes.
Been moved and seconded with the suggestions that have been made. Please vote.
Unanimous vote.
Thank you.